Hey friends, thanks for joining me here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. Of course, I'm Mr. Woods, and I'm excited to be bringing you this second how to draw tutorial. And if this one seems a little bit fishy, it's because it is. So grab your favorite pencil and let's begin. Hey my friends, grab out your favorite number 2 pencil and let's get started. I have my drawing paper attached so it won't move. Starting with the great big oval, just like we did when we were creating the turtle. So if you haven't watched that tutorial, stop right now, watch that tutorial, then come back here. I'm going to stop halfway, a little bit further down. There we go, come over here. Then we need to put some fish lips on him here. There's one. Roll it back down. A little bit of a smile. All my animals have to be happy. Curve around and back underneath. And there's the start of the head. Oval for the eyes. You can change them later if you want. Eyebrows, of course. Now we need a body, and it's going to be kind of a long oval here. So depending on how big of your fish you want, you know, that's how big of a semi-oval that you got there. And then we're going to come up here with the fin. You remember making that line in the line video. Same thing down here for a fin. And then we need one in the background. And then we're going to come with the tail. The tail is going to start right about here. Right, kind of almost into the middle. Do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm pretty happy there. So I'm going to come in with the Sharpie. And like I said before, use the ultra fine tip. I will outline everything that I want to keep, and I'll add details and texture and some value as well. And you want to draw lightly, that way you can erase and you're not damaging the paper. See, I don't want to trace that line right through there because it'll show through the fin, and once I erase it, it should be gone. Just have fun making your fish, and you know, figure out how do you want to make the fins, and how do you want to make the face. And maybe you're going to make a fish that's not smiling. Maybe he's angry. Maybe he's hungry. Maybe he's chasing another fish. Maybe he's getting chased by a fish or a shark or something. So here's where I'm coming in with the details, just kind of following what I already had. And now we're ready for the scales. And the scales are just going to be something like that. Put the next one right in between, right in the middle. Don't go over your fin. And then after I have that, start with little circles here. Come in with the old pink pearl eraser. And like I've said before, it's always easier to do all the erasing at one time. Oh, almost forgot. Once you're done, give your little signature there. Hey friends, thank you so much for joining me right here at Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. I hope you enjoyed drawing the fish, and if you did, drop me a line. Give me some comments, some feedback, because I'd really like to hear from you. And look for more how to draw tutorials coming up. And remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.